How to use advanced feature in LinkedIn. To use advanced feature, you need to follow this. Now, LinkedIn's advanced feature, which are fully unlocked with a premium Seal Navigator or Recruiter subscriptions, can be leveraged or refined searches as well. So what you need is basically you want to log into your LinkedIn account. If you want to use the advanced feature, you could get the premium version of it. As you could see, here is the interface. You click on try for free or try for $0, and then go ahead and enter in your card, and you can unlock a lot of advanced features that's available for LinkedIn profile or that's available for LinkedIn premium user. So basically, what you need is the core of LinkedIn's advanced functionality lies to a robust search capabilities. So you could start a basic search using the main search bar. Then you just click on all filters button or near the top of the result page to access the extensive filtering options as well. And you could also refine your search for people using criteria such as connections, location, current past company and industry as well, and then a job title and a seniority level as well. So, this way you should be able to use the advanced feature in LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.